Good morning, everyone. This is our new Stihl MS251. We are getting it ready for its first startup. These don't come with the hole in the front to grease the sprocket, so we're not going to worry about that. We got our bar and chain oil. We got our HP Ultra Steel. If you buy a 6-pack of this, it actually doubles your warranty when you purchase the Stihl chainsaw. So we have bought this, or 6 of these, and they make exactly 2.5 gallons. So we got a 2.5 gallon jug of gas right here, and we mix that in there. So now we are going to go ahead and fill it up with gas and some bar and chain oil. And these ones are, this is the MS251C. Alright, it's actually quite simple to open those up. We've already put fuel in that side, so okay, now we're going to put in some bar and chain oil. There we go. Don't want to forget that for sure. Alright. We got fuel, and we got bar and chain oil. Now we're going to go ahead and start it up. Alright, we're going to do our first startup. With these, to get the choke to go on full, you have to pull up on the trigger, and then the choke goes all the way down. And what you want to do is pull on the cable until you hear it burp. And the first burp you hear, or where it tries to start, stop. Pop it up 1 notch into the half choke. Otherwise, you're going to end up flooding it. And it's almost a guarantee with these. If you keep pulling them with it in full choke, you're going to flood it. So let's go ahead, put that back in full choke. We're going to make sure the chain brake is on. You can start it with the chain brake on. Just do not bring it to full throttle with the chain brake on. Make sure you take that back off before you start throttling it up. Alright, let's go ahead and give this a try. And this is a cold start. It's actually cold outside too, so it's about 60 degrees, 55 degrees, so we'll see what it does. Okay, ooh, she tried to start right there. So we'll go to half choke. That's pretty nice. This has the easy start on it. I disengage the chain, so now it'll turn. Hit the button and it goes to run. It drops it out of half choke and goes to run. This one has a bubble right here. I hit that a couple times before I started it. I pumped it like 5 times. I don't think I got that on camera. I did it before I moved it over here. But I pumped that up like 5 times until it was full of fuel. And it started right up. Alright. That is the quick, easy startup of this Stihl. And this one has the easy start. So you really don't have to pull it hard. You don't just yank it. You can just kind of glide with this one. And don't just let go of the cord and let it slam back in, because you're going to damage the internals. So let's go ahead and do a startup on this again. Just put it right into run. Let's see what it does. You see that nice slow pull? With that nice slow pull, it started right up. What it does is there's an extra spring in there. And when you start to pull, it builds tension, and then all of a sudden it spins the flywheel. So it doesn't spin it as you're pulling, it just lets it build up pressure. When you get about halfway out, then all of a sudden it starts spinning. So anyway, we are going to take this up and get us some firewood today. So I hope you enjoyed the startup. This one, like I said, it's brand new and it started right up. Filled up with fuel oil and hit the button 5 times and took 2 pulls. Excuse me. Took 2 pulls with it on full choke, and then I moved it to half choke and fired right up. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching.